How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video, and today we have a Walmart Impressions ceiling fan. I don't know why, but I've always loved these things. I used to see them a lot as a kid. Matter of fact, I had one about maybe 12, 13 years ago. This one's in pretty good shape too. All right, we'll start it off on low. There's low speed. I think it may need a new cap.
It's a bit worn out.
It is a bit worn out, like an old G20 van.
That's a lot worn.
We'll go to medium. Doesn't do too bad on medium. A little wobbly. Alright, now we'll go to high. Get ready to get your socks knocked off.
The socks are flying off.
The socks are flying off. Alright, now we'll turn it off. This thing does have a long spin down time. So, there we go. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.